Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're exploring a simple and straightforward way to enhance your online privacy and security using Dark Tunnel VPN. This app comes equipped with built-in UDP servers, making it incredibly easy to get started with a VPN connection. Let's get this show on the road. Step 1. Download and install Dark Tunnel VPN. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for Dark Tunnel VPN and make sure to install the correct app, just like the one shown in the video. Step 2. Launch the app. Open the Dark Tunnel VPN app. You'll land on a clean and easy-to-use home screen. Step 3. Choose a server location. Select a server location. For maximum speed, you might try the United States, but you can choose any location that suits your needs. Step 4. Select a dark server. Dark Tunnel VPN has a variety of built-in servers called dark servers. Explore the options and choose the one that seems best for you. You can find these servers listed in a box below the location selection. Step 5. Connect to the VPN. Tap the Start button to initiate the VPN connection. And that's it. You're now protected with Dark Tunnel VPN. Don't forget to join us on our Telegram and WhatsApp channels for ongoing support and insights. You'll find the links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to get notifications for more great content. Stay secure and happy browsing.